Holy schneikowitz, boys. Cold water down. Oh, great. Just got my undercurtain gun fixed. Dicked, eh? We'll be dicked for undercurtains now. I better frig off for a couple more weeks. I need dry roads. I need friggin' dry roads. Oh no, it did. It did snow in the dump truck. Son of a bitch. Yeah. Well, good news. Got my power washer back. Okay. Got my friggin' power washer back, so that's handy. Doesn't happen very often.
Holy shit.
What happened? What happened? I was filming. I was catching it on a movie. Heating inwood, boys. Holy, there's like pieces of fire coming out on me. Fuck, she'll be warm in here in no times. Can you feel the heat? Little glimpses of it here and there. Look at the technique, boys. Look at our juice. Oh shit! A fucking new one. Oh, check it out, dudes. Oh, my new one. Decent. That should work. McSplockins, brand new friggin' clutchapini, flywheelapini from our good pals at Docile Conversions. We even got a Decnal. What would you put it in? Diesel conversion specialist. Yeah. Not tomorrow or anything, but the next Cummins swap project we gotta starting to collect the parts for. Hopefully it goes a little quicker than the last one. I can tell you that. What happened? Good. Well, that'll give you a clue. Hey, we don't have to put window weld in the friggin' what's-its. Decent. Oh, it even came with fasteners. Classy fellas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Those are serious. Good lord. A little more beef to them than the ones I used on the Grumman there, so that's handy. Friggin' rights. So we'll be able to put an engine in something and a transmission. Yeah, there's the engine right there. Just got to dry ice blast it, but I sold my air compressor yesterday, so hopefully the shop, I mean it's a tandem stage. It's got the tandem stages onto it, so blows quite a bit of air, but it's only like 17 CFM. The other was 250 CFM. That's a little bit of a difference. I can't even see how many CFMs it is. 13.3 or something, 15.8, I don't know, something like that. But anyway, it's freaking right. It's diesel conversion specialist. I got the lights and stuff to do, but that's just breaking my planks. Every time I come out here, I gotta like remember 2 hours of remembering what I did. I keep having like, you know, basically diagnose the freaking undercarriage of this to, you know what I mean, like be like, okay, this is what I've done, and then carry on from there. So it's like, you know, starts getting old quick. But I don't know, blinkers. Might be this box in there though, so I'm gonna have to get another one of those. I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm not a wireontologist, clearly. On my dump truck. No. Doesn't take oil. That's good.
Yeah.
Just have to fucking fire the man lift up or something and drive it around, you know, pull it around here or something.
Yeah.
Loves winter. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. Yeah, we're almost ready to haul fucking crushed aggregate. And it won't fall out as much.
As much.
Still fall out, just not as much. Only like 38, 72 more days.
That's it.
Hey? Scores! That's really good how it's like surging or whatever. Right?
Yep.
That's fucking excellent. Oh dear fuck.
Wait till it fucking runs away.
Oh, that'd be great.
Just ideal, eh?
Got a whine on her. Holy Van Schneikowitz. Can go to the MTO or whatever it is, Service Ontario, closed due to staff shortage.
Really?
Yeah. So that's fucking
another
handy.
problem.
Oh, great.
Fucking tank's empty yet.
No.
Like fucking right out.
Yeah, that one's just a tiny little bottle. That other one has, you know, that other little one with the regular, it's got more gas in it than that one.
I opened the valve, like it didn't even move. I was like, I thought, oh, maybe the gauge is just like doesn't work.
Yeah. I'll have to fucking...
We shut it off last night. Like, oh, fuck, but I mean, those little bottles, well, they're kind of straight.
Yeah, they're garbage. It's stupid. We'll have to fucking drag that one out there, I guess. All my new undercurtain gloves, my new ones.
Oh, buddy. And you got your rod?
Yeah.
Holy fuck, rod.
Fucking Rod Stewart.
Except when I'm not.
I bet you these little pins were like $64 for a pair of them. You know what I mean?
Sounds stupid yet.
So I ended up just having to go to the Home Depot out there. I don't know how good you can make it out, but see, these pins is all wore out. These are like the pins for the gun, so I just got some 1/8 rod, made my own, just a smidgen longer, because these ones are like wore out, right? So we just made them a smidgen longer, and then also stab those in the gun. You can see them in there. So we just got to take that cap off, stab these two guys in there, and then we'll have the throw we need to open up the spagoot. And it'll be awesome. Should work perfect now. It's probably like 20 bucks for two little sticks like that. I got a whole 36 inches for $8 or something. Those are my other ones. Those back where we found them. These are just not quite long enough. Story of my life. What happened? Beautiful. Watch your eyes. Ah, it's got me. Careful, hot. Fire hot.
Yep.
Another 18, 11 more trips to Inwood. And, hey? Be awesome.
Actually, there's really, I mean, honestly, there's not a whole lot left. Like,
Yeah.
it is, like, now it's just the really shitty stuff. Like, there's a hole there, one on the other side. Just a little patch.
Oh yeah, those are right on. Got some new door speakers for Sticky. Freaking blew up the last ones, I guess. I don't know. Not sure what happened there, but I guess that would have just been the tweeter wire anyway, but still, we'll get them friggin' working and put them in my truck, and they'll be better than the shitty ones that are in there, and it'll be awesome. Free 99. I love that kind. Check the stairway too. Friggin' DVD player. Clarion. Score's got a iPod connector. For fucking iPod probably. Forgot I gotta do a little work on Rusty today too. looks way better. High temp too. It's good for winter, you know what I mean? Inwood Customs. Just don't lean on that for a few days before she dries. Look at that, boys. Custom as fuck. Yeah. Freaking rights I did. How you making out?
Doing good, actually.
Holy shit.
I had that ladder. I was trying to build a platform. I couldn't. But the only wood I found was like that much too short. And I didn't want to die, so.
Yeah. Holy schnikelitz. What do you think, like half a kilometer welds?
Oh, funny. That's just the outside.
2 bottles of gas so far. How much of a roll of wires left? None?
Probably not.
Probably none much wires left.
They're still squished.
I apologize. Oh, dear, you besant. Please, you. Oh, dick. You besant. Holy shit, I'm crashing. She's friggin' dickered, boys. Good lord. Well, anyways, boys, we're back. I did 2 JBCs on the way home, and I think I got the shits. But I managed to clean up, you know, a bunch of crap that was laying around and stuff. So, I gotta get some room for the 80 tree if it's gonna be all snowing out all of a sudden. For freak's sakes, we're gonna have to push this outside. Oh yeah, I got the shit's terrible. Oh dear. Oh, why would I do that to myself? Oh. But yeah, Welder Schmidt Steve, ladies and gentlemen. Eh? Friggin' rights. Classy friggin' fella. I'll have to get him a certificate for frig's sakes. But anyways, boys, I gotta go to bed. Oh, I gotta go to the toilet first. Oh, see? Oh, that feels so much better though. Oh yeah, I gotta go. I gotta go to the toilet.